Most recently, in January 2024, Parliament debated a motion on building an inclusive and safe digital society. A study by the IMDA showed that platforms take about 5 days or more to act on valid reports of online harms. Many valid reports are not even acted on. This is highly unsatisfactory to victims. The second important finding is that victims are daunted by the existing channels for seeking remedies, and in particular, they find court processes complex and expensive. The third important finding is that victims face difficulties seeking restitution. This is because they are often unable to confirm who was responsible for the harm. They continue to be in fear and cannot find closure. Today, we are taking a decisive step to introduce legislation. It will give victims of online harms an avenue of timely, effective, and accessible redress. OSRA aims to do this in 3 ways. First, OSRA will establish the Office of the Commissioner of Online Safety. An agency, the Online Safety Commission, OSC, will be set up to support the Office of the Commissioner. The OSC will be empowered to issue directions to communicators of harmful content, administrators of groups or pages, and platforms. These directions require the recipients to act quickly on the harmful content. The OSC will start by tackling online harms that are most prevalent and Singaporeans consider the most severe. Other harms will be dealt with progressively. MOS Rahayu will elaborate on how the OSC is intended to operate. Second, OSRA will introduce statutory torts. This is a major improvement. It provides a legal basis for the OSC to take action. Most importantly, it will allow victims to initiate legal proceedings against those responsible for causing or continuing the harm. Sir, studies have shown that Singaporeans see online safety as a shared responsibility between tech companies, individuals, the government, parents, and schools. The proposed statutory torts will clarify the duties that users, administrators of groups, and platforms owe to each other. It will significantly reduce ambiguity about what online behaviors are considered harmful and unlawful. Third, OSRA provides victims with a means to identify the person who caused the harm. Not all victims want this, but for those who do, OSRA plugs a gap. Minister Edwin will elaborate on this. Sir, if Parliament passes OSRA, Singapore will be one of only a few countries worldwide to have an agency dedicated to helping victims of online harm. While we have few counterparts to learn from, this does not deter us. In setting up the OSC, we considered various models, such as mediation and dispute resolution. Victims are at the very heart of the OSC's mission. But the OSC's operational model and its oversight process are designed to be reasonable and fair to all. This is balanced against the need to act expeditiously and reduce the possibility of victim re-traumatization.